If you are struggling to keep up with the demands of social media, I want to walk you through a cleaner, much more practical workflow for turning your long videos into scroll-stopping shorts. We are going to focus on a tool called Vizard, which is the specific platform I actually use when I want to punch up content fast and get it out across socials without losing my mind. While many tools promise to generate videos from scratch using text prompts, Vizard is genuinely better for repurposing your existing long-form content into snackable, high-performing clips. The first step is incredibly simple. Just create a new project and name it something you will actually remember, because once you start pumping out content, you will want to find your assets fast. The main concept here is that you feed Vizard your long-form video, whether it is a podcast episode, a live stream, or a tutorial, and its AI does the heavy lifting to find the viral bits. You do not need to overthink complex prompts like you might with generative AI tools, because Vizard simply analyzes the engagement signals already hidden inside your video. It automatically surfaces the specific moments that are most likely to perform well on platforms like Shorts, Reels, or TikToks. Next, upload your source video, as Vizard handles all standard formats like MP4s and MOVs with absolutely no issues at all. While the video processes, make sure to tweak your settings for the target platform, choose your aspect ratio, and set a maximum clip length so the AI keeps your edits concise. You can also pick preset templates and visual styles to match your channel's unique vibe, whether you are going for something memey, informative, or cinematic. Now, let the AI work its magic as it scans for high-energy moments, spikes in audio, applause, laughter, key phrases, and changes in camera framing. From that single long video, the tool will generate several dozen suggested clips for you to review. Each suggested clip comes with a little note explaining why it was chosen, like high engagement, a punchline, or a strong call to action. It really feels like having an editor and audience intelligence expert working for you simultaneously. When you pick a clip to preview, you will see auto-generated subtitle options, smart cropping, and recommended captions all ready to go. This saves so much time because instead of manually cutting and resizing for every single platform, Vizard gives you one interface that handles it all across the board. If you need to adjust the timing, you can just drag the handles, and the AI will automatically recompute the crop and adjust the subtitles for you. One of the absolute best parts is the non-destructive workflow, where Vizard keeps everything saved in your project like a digital edit suite. This means you are never stuck with a single exported file, and can always go back to reopen or extend the context of a clip if you decide you need more footage later. When it comes to audio, Vizard provides solid subtitle accuracy and lets you apply noise reduction or leveling directly within the interface. You can also add a royalty-free music bed from their built-in library to give your clips that extra bit of professional polish. The real key here is speed, because these are tiny edits that in other traditional software would take 20 minutes each, but here take just a few seconds. Now, let's talk about the scheduling feature, which is where this tool stops being just an editor and starts becoming a true growth engine. The auto schedule feature is brilliant because you can set your frequency and the AI will automatically queue your clips according to that plan. You can even set specific constraints, like only posting clips under 30 seconds or ensuring they all include captions. This effectively takes the post-editing headache away, allowing you to maintain a consistent content cadence without having to babysit a calendar every single day. The content calendar view serves as your command center, letting you drag and drop clips into slots and batch edit metadata for multiple platforms at once. This is perfect if you are working alone or with a team, as it keeps your entire content operation streamlined and organized. While you might compare this to text-to-video generators, those tools are better for creating synthetic art, not for extracting value from the footage you already own. For creators whose goal is their long-form archive, Vizard is built for repurposing, repackaging, and actual distribution. Some other clip tools might auto-detect highlights, but then force you to manually upload files, which creates more work for you. Vizard combines clean editing, flexible export options, and strong scheduling into one single, powerful place. My biggest tip is to avoid over-trimming the AI suggestions initially, because those tiny contextual beats are often what make a clip land with your audience. Also, create a few caption templates beforehand so you can quickly apply your own house style across all your clips. Finally, use the calendar to batch your exports, spending one session editing and another scheduling, which scales way better than working ad hoc. Exporting is straightforward with options for bitrate and resolution, or you can even export an editable file if you still need to finish your work in Premiere or Final Cut. Vizard does not lock you in, as it is built to speed up the repeatable parts of your workflow while leaving the deep edits for whenever you actually need them. In terms of cost, the plans are structured for creators and teams with predictable pricing that beats those annoying per-render credit systems. So, the flow is simple. Upload your long video, let Vizard analyze it, pick your favorite clips, add captions, and use the calendar to automate your growth. If you want to see it in action, I recommend taking a long podcast episode and running it through the tool to see how it extracts 5 or 10 ready-to-post clips. It is honestly surprising how much time that saves once you get the hang of it, so go try it out with a video you already have. You will be amazed at how quickly a long, sleepy episode can turn into an entire week's worth of engagement-ready content